High on a tall forest tree, a tiny nest holds 3 beautiful eggs.
The sparrow wakes up and gently flies toward her precious nest. She sits lovingly on her eggs, keeping them warm and safe.
The snake begins climbing, moving silently toward the sparrow's home. But the brave sparrow fights fiercely to protect her children.
She carries her eggs one by one to a safe, taller tree. She searches the forest for stones shaped like eggs.
She finds one and carries it back with determination. She places the stone eggs in the nest as a clever decoy.
Days later, the snake returns, climbing the tree again.
It bites the fake eggs, but the hard stones get stuck in its throat.
Struggling in pain, the snake falls from the tree once again.
Defeated, the snake crawls away and never returns.
The sparrow returns, and her real eggs hatch into 3 adorable chicks.
The little birds grow strong and fly happily with their mother into the sky.